Guys, I'm very proud of myself. My coffee is hot and my makeup sponge is wet. I pre-wet it. Like I took it over there because I knew I'd be filming. Who am I? Hey guys, what's up? I hope you're all having a super amazing Thursday. Today we're going to be going through all of my favorite products of 2018 and 2019 to see if I still love them. And today's video is sponsored by a skincare brand favorite of mine for years now, Neutrogena, for their Bright Boost collection of skincare products. This is a relatively new collection for them. It launched earlier in 2020. One of my favorite products from the line is this serum. It is the Bright Boost Illuminating Serum. This is a really lightweight serum and it has this ingredient in it called new glucosamine, which I think is just very interesting. I've done my own research on this. It's basically a building block of hyaluronic acid, which I found really interesting. And hyaluronic acid is it's one of my favorite products to put on my face. So hyaluronic acid targets hydration, neoglucosamine helps target clarity in the skin, uneven tone and texture. I find this layers really nicely underneath makeup, just with my other skincare ingredients. It plays nicely with others. And they have a whole Bright Boost collection, from a resurfacing micro polish to an SPF 30, a gel cream, just a ton of different products to choose from. I will link them down below for you guys to go and check out. And now let's dive into the makeup. All right, let's start off with the eyes, and we're gonna throw it back to some classic ABH palettes. The one that I originally grabbed for this video was the Sultry palette. It's upside down, Rachel. The Sultry palette, which, I mean, let's be honest, is very beautiful. But then, in the process of finding that, I also found Modern Renaissance. Do you remember, what a throwback. What was that? That was 2017? Gosh, that's so long ago. Wow, what a time. Who knew we'd be here in 2020, huh? But we're gonna use the Sultry palette today, and we're gonna go pretty light and bright because I don't know what it is. Recently I've been very much into the lighter eyeshadows and then more fluffy lashes. I actually have some lashes that I'm gonna play around with today because I found a product from my last video that I want to use more of. And it just makes me want to use lashes more because it's so much easier. But we're gonna start with Fresh and Twig, these two. Oh, I forgot how they get very dusty. Gotta pack it on and then tap it off. We're just really lightly building that up. Nothing crazy. Ooh. I forgot how much I like that. I mean, it's very light, but I like it. We take a little birch for the outer half of the lid. Maybe a stiffer brush here. I feel like it's been so long since I've used an ABH palette. I feel like everyone just kind of went over from ABH to Natasha Denona. Let's not forget, these are good. I'm patting a little bit of Teak and Cinder onto the lid here. That's these two shades right here. And then we'll toss a little bit of birch underneath the eye here. Just keep it simple. No need to reinvent the wheel. Easy peasy of the lemon squeezy variety. Cute. Love it. Okay, now lashes are curled. We're gonna go on to mascara. And this is the Marc Jacobs. I think it's Velvet Noir. Very fancy. And I loved this one and the way it made my lashes look. It's just very luxe and fluffy and soft and velvety. I don't know what velvety lashes look like, but it was nice. So we're going to apply one little coat here. Okay, maybe not little. I don't do little with mascara. Okay, that's one coat. She's beautiful. She's beautiful. Love her already. I'm so sorry that I'm not using it more. What a beauty. So that's one coat right there. I normally do another coat, but I am gonna go into some lashes. I decided to go with the Kiss lashes. This is the Naked Drama collection, the lacy ones. I also have here, there's another one I think somewhere. It's Boudoir or something. Anyway, it was between these ones and the Velour Effortless line, but I haven't used these ones in a while, so that's what we're gonna do today. And the Kiss lashes in this particular line, the Naked Drama, are so fluffy. They're very three-dimensional, very fluffy, but they're a little bit shorter. So they look fluffy and dramatic without being aggressive, So let's see how much we gotta trim here. And I think I'm gonna apply it with a new product that I have been obsessed with from the last video I did. This little guy right here. So good. I'll link the video in case you want to see the full review. It's by Lola Lashes and it's a clear adhesive. and it just makes it so much easier to apply the lashes. These are dramatic and they look really heavy now, but trust the process. These are gonna look so good once I finish everything up. You'll see. So we're gonna do my brows next because they are driving me crazy. And we're gonna use a product I have not used in so long, and this was a favorite. Like, this is a staple for me. And it is the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. This is in the shade 3.5, and I use this one constantly for a really long time actually. And I haven't used it for a while, so I have a new one here and we're going to revisit and see if it's that much better than a lot of the drugstore ones that I am currently obsessed with. There's one from Essence that I cannot stop using. Ride or Die. It is so good. Actually, I need to stock up on more of them. I feel like that's always the way for me. Out of every product that I use, it's brow products that I run out of first. I like a done brow. I don't know what to tell you. So it applies very smoothly, very easily. Not surprised though, because it was a favorite. Wow, that's a very precise brow. Wow. All right, brows are filled in. I think next time I might choose shade 4 over 3.5, but that's fine. I mean, I can see why this was a favorite. It's got a really small, fine tip, which is great for drawing in the brows. It's a great pencil. It's a good one. I have other ones from the drugstore that I also enjoy that are similar in quality to me to that one. And now I'm going to set the brows. This is, what is this? This is the NYX Control Freak eyebrow gel. Actually, I usually use the Benefit one because I love that brow gel. It's insane. It locks your brows down. But I haven't used this one in a minute. What are my brows doing? What is this? And I don't really remember if this one is as like locked in as the Benefit one, so we'll see what these brows look like by end of day. And now for foundation, we're gonna go like high end. This is the Dior Forever Undercover 24-hour full coverage foundation. And again, I love, ooh, sprayed out at me. I was obsessed with this foundation. It went on so smooth, very like, got my sponge and no, I can't find it. Where did it go? I don't know how to advance the everything. Why you gotta play me like that, sponge? It wasn't very, oh, there you are. Hide over here in the bronzer drawer. Okay. Anyway. Ooh, it has a nice scent to it. Ooh, guess I shouldn't be surprised. It is Dior. It's very nice coverage to it. It's not going on really cakey. My skin is looking good. Wow. Wow. It's like that TikTok. Wow. Ooh, I'm excited about this one. Ooh, this is really pretty. Why did I stop using this? Why? Let's go on to concealer. This is the Cover FX Power Play Concealer. This is a very full coverage concealer. I remember had an interesting wand to it. Yeah, that's it. It's like a round fuzzy thing. This is like really high coverage. It went on super smoothly underneath the eyes and just like canceled out everything. I'm gonna blend this out and see how it compares to the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, which is so good. If you have not hopped on that bandwagon, highly recommend doing so. It is beautiful. All right, I'm just blending this one out a little bit with some foundation too, just because it's a little bit light, but coverage is really pretty. Just like around the edges and stuff, but like it's good so far. But I don't think it's like any better than the e.l.f. one, you know? But like skin is looking flawless so far. Wow, what a great makeup day, everyone. I'm excited. For powder today, I want to go back to the Veil Translucent Setting Powder by Hourglass. I have not used this in a while, and it was like a staple of mine for so long. It was this one and the Laura Geller one. I have it here, and it's discontinued. I'm so sad about it. It's the Filter Finish Setting Powder. I love this one. So let's use it to set the under eye and anywhere that I would tend to get a little bit on the greasy side. So far, so good. It gives a nice, like a blurred finish to the skin. Very, very soft. The only thing I don't think that I love about it, it has a little bit of a yellow tint to it, which tends to, it almost looks enhanced under my eyes. And it looks a lot better for me if I have something that's slightly more pink toned or more neutral. I'm gonna throw in a little lip product. This is the NYX Powder Puff Lippy, which is a powder lip cream. And this is in Best Buds, which looks absolutely gorgeous. Have I used this recently? I don't think so. Yet. Yep. Everything about this. This to me is like the perfect effortless lip. It fills in your lip color. It makes everything very soft, very almost blurred looking. I really love that. Now let's just like get the under eye all good to go. I'm going to add a little bit more from the Sultry palette. I want to make sure that I'm balancing my under eye a little bit because the top, the lashes are so intense. And then a little bit of mascara. I want to make the lashes just to help kind of anchor those top lashes a little bit. Now for the bronzer, I'm going to go in with Hourglass. And there was a time when I was just, this was all I was using. It was just the Hourglass one. This is the Nude Bronze Light. I love Hourglass bronzers. Honestly, they're really pretty. The blushes are also really pretty. And I love the, what's their other? Oh, the powders, the finishing powders. They're so gorgeous. And then for blush, we're going to do the Burt's Bees blush. Cinnamon, I think it is. Toasted cinnamon. Oh, love this one. Oh, I haven't used this forever. Have you sensed the theme yet? Also really pretty. Such a good like fall blush shade. Now let's go on to highlight. This is the Master Chrome Metallic Highlight. Oh, this is a fresh one. So pretty. It's a very lovely soft champagne-y gold tone. I love this highlight. Oh, forgot how much I love this one. It's so pretty. Definitely need to throw on a little bit of some setting powder because I feel like this is too shiny with the rest of my face, which is pretty matte. Pop a little in the inner corner too, because why not? And now let us spray with a setting spray. This is the Cover FX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. I think this was 2019 favorite for me, because I used this a lot, I think, at the beginning of 2020. You gotta give it a good shake so as to let all the dewiness mix in with the setting spray. Misty. All right, so this is the look first applied. I will update you guys tonight and we'll see how everything is wearing. So far, I have been impressed. I don't know why I'm not impressed because these were favorite products of mine, but I honestly thought that so many of my recent favorites would just completely overshadow these products. And I feel like a lot of them can stand in competition with those, which is kind of cool. There are definitely products in different categories that I like more now than I do with this makeup, but like overall, I'm happy with this. So now I'm gonna go about the rest of my day, you know, being at home and super glam makeup with children and editing. And I will check in with you guys tonight and we will see how everything is wearing. So see you guys in a bit. Okay guys, it is now the end of the day. This is what my makeup is now looking like. It is, I don't know what time it is. What time is it? 9:30. So I have some thoughts. I want to say about 5 hours in, the glue started to go on the inner corner of my lashes, which is interesting because it didn't do that at all with the thinner bands, so maybe it doesn't work as well for thicker bands. So fortunately, I know now what filming Rachel didn't know, but editing Rachel knows enough to put it in the video before it goes live. That didn't make any sense, but you get it. If you watch the video, you'll know, which is a little unfortunate because the lashes are so pretty. It's just I need a stronger glue. Also, the mascara raccooned under my eyes again, as per usual. My face makeup looks good, to be honest. Like a little bit oily on the chin and like a little bit creasy under the eyes, but like really it's still held up quite well. I think I like my concealer now, my e.l.f. one, better than the Cover FX one now. The eyeshadow is really nice. I'm gonna pull out all of my ABH palettes and start using them again. Cause like sometimes you get caught up in the new stuff, but there are some good treasures in my collection that I need to be using more. I'm gonna press these down. They're annoying me. Are there any makeup products you guys have like rediscovered or re-fell in love with that maybe you'd forgotten about and are actual amazing products? Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what they are. And a big thank you to Neutrogena for sponsoring today's video with their Bright Boost collection. Go and check it out. All the details in the info bar below. Check out these videos on the side in case you have missed any, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Love you all. Mwah.